Well, hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So, as you can see from the title of the video and then the little pop up on the screen there, I'm doing some pickle juice fried pork loins. Now, they ain't fried in the pickle juice because someone had asked about that, but they were just brined in it. And I didn't do a video on it the first time I'd done it. I just posted some pictures because I post pictures of all the junk I eat or do or whatever else. And it gained some interest from folks of how in the world I did it, so I figured I'd whip up the quick video for them, and I told them I'd do it anyway. So this is some pickle juice fried pork loins. So I just had 4 pork loins there. That's probably half an inch in thickness, and then I had some just Mount Olive pickles there, and just the cheap old pickles. So that's what I used for the brine for them. So I just took them, threw them in a bowl, poured probably about a cup's worth of the pickle juice over them, and just let them sit and brine. And they probably brine for around 10 minutes or so, and throughout that 10 minutes I'd rotate them through it. And once they got done marinating or brining there, it's time for good old hammer time. As you see, let out a little aggression on them, whacking on them some bit. And I always use a plastic bag when I'm doing it, just to be easier on cleaner up, and you ain't splattering meat bits everywhere when you're whacking on them. And there's about the size that I was going for. You can see the size difference after it's been hammer time and whacked out. So after they got done beating them out, I just returned them back to the juice so they can still get some of that flavor, and also my batter here will adhere well. So I went with 2/3 of a cup probably of both cornmeal and flour, and then I seasoned my flour with salt and pepper, a little heavier on the pepper just to add the spice size in. And yeah, I used self-rising flour and cornmeal if you're interested in those of what I use. And like I said, I'll have everything in the description of what all went into it. So I use canola oil for frying them in, and they're probably kind of a shallow fry, but you can use whatever frying oil that you like the best. And at the end here, I'll show you a little something, a little trick, or if you have trouble frying or you can't get stuff right frying, I'll show you a little something you can do, or you can keep away from it. So once I got my oil temp up to 350 degrees, I started chunking them in and letting them swim in the grease a little bit and start getting golden brown all over. You can see kind of the color there that I'm going for. And it didn't take too long on each side, probably a minute or two on each side, just till you get the good kind of golden brown color there. You see, now we're starting on the second one in the batch, and once it gets to its good old golden brown color there, you see, you just take them up and just let them drain there on kind of paper towel for a few minutes so they're not too greasy or anything. And there's the second one and third one. And with cast iron, if you're using it to fry, you can see it's around about a medium heat. With cast iron, it'll kind of keep going up and up on temp with you. So you want to kind of back it off on temperature throughout, or it'll get too hot on you and you'll start burning your batter before it's getting really done in the center. And again, with this one, I went ahead and kind of kick her on down a little bit more because it's still holding heat and kind of going up and up. And there's the fourth one there, just getting good and golden brown, golden crispy, and that's the color that you want to see when you're frying, that good old golden brown color. And there they are, the pickle juice fried pork loins, all 4 delicious little things. All I needed was a biscuit and I was good to go. And right there's what I'm talking about. Now if you're having trouble with your batter separating from you, whatever you're frying, what it is that you didn't let your batter set up too long enough, or you didn't have your temperature of your oil up high enough. So make sure you get your temperature right, and make sure you let your batter set long enough, or otherwise they'll start separating. But anyways, that's some pickle juice fried pork loins for you. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.